Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic in PowerPoint. First of all, go to a blank slide and change this background color to black. We're going to go to shapes and insert a rounded corner rectangle. And we're going to make it fully rounded and let's decrease its size. And we're going to remove this outline and change this color to white. Go to format shape and give it this this shadow. Inner shadow, we're gonna duplicate it, decrease its width, and we're gonna do something like this. Next, we're gonna give it a very different shadow from shape format. We're gonna remove its line as well, and we're gonna place it into the middle and the center of the first shape. Now select them and adjust them. There you go. You're gonna duplicate that shape, and for this shape you're gonna insert a rectangle as small as this one and place it in the middle of the shape. Select both of them and fragment them and remove the remaining middle parts. And we're gonna move the duplicated shape onto the first shape, and this is how it looks. Now we're gonna insert a small circle right into the middle, and we're gonna decrease its size and duplicate it. And then we're going to change its color to a darker color and remove its outline. We're going to give a lighter color but the same color tone to the smaller circle by removing its line as well. Place it onto the first circle and then you're going to adjust the sizes of both of the circles. But be sure that they have the same middle size. And the next thing we're going to do is select it and adjust it somewhat like this. Let's move it out of the shape and we're gonna change its size and put it back onto its place. Go to shapes again and insert a small circle and duplicate it somewhat like this. Adjust them into a good pattern like this. And there you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is adjust them all and select them all and go to group them by pressing Ctrl G. And you're gonna remove their outline and give them a light green fill. Let's give it a gradient fill of dark green and a white color. But this doesn't look quite visible, so let me just decrease its size and change this gradient color. Second gradient color has to be the lighter color and the first gradient stop have to be darker color. So that's how it looks. And the next thing what we're gonna do is wait. Let me just adjust them. We're gonna group these circles and then we're gonna select all of the shapes, whatever circles, rectangles, rounded corner rectangles, or whatever it is. We're gonna group it and we're gonna place them side by side by duplicating them firstly and then place them side by side about 6 times. Now what you're gonna do is distribute them horizontally and distribute them vertically to make equal spacing and ungroup them and change the color of these circles and the borders. So now we're gonna add the text and I'm gonna increase its size, change its color to white and make it visible and make it bold. You can change the font. That's how it looks. Next, you're gonna duplicate the text box and you're gonna place it right here next to the three of the shapes and you're gonna move them onto the left side to make place for the second text box. Now let's like send them to the center. And for all of these shapes, we're gonna give them wipe animation. So we're gonna use animation painter to do this task to give all of them the same animation. So first of all, like you're gonna select the shape which you want to, of which animation do you want to apply to other shapes, and then we're gonna press animation painter, and then we're gonna is like click on that shape on which we want to give the same animation on. So I have given all the animations, and this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like these.